How to add multiple photos in Instagram story. So let's get started. First of all, launch the Instagram application in your mobile device. And after that, make sure that you're logged in with your Instagram account. Once you get to your homepage, now navigate to the story section that you will see at the top left corner. So tap on your story. Now from here, you can either choose a photo from your gallery or you can simply capture it from the Instagram camera. If you would like to capture one, then tap on the camera icon, or if you would like to choose from your gallery, just go to your gallery and then choose a photo here. I will just take a picture from my camera. Now, once you have a picture right here and you would like to add another or secondary photo to your story, then what you have to do is navigate at the top of this interface. There you'll find a sticker icon next to this text icon. Tap on it. Then you will land on this pop-up box where you'll have multiple edit options. So from all of these options given, you have to look for an option that says photo. So tap on it. Now again, it will allow you to choose another picture. So you can simply select the next picture that you would like to add to your story. Here I have this picture right here, and if you tap on it, you will have different types of shape. So go with the one that you want, and if you simply drag this, you can place it whenever or wherever you like. So in the same way, you can add more than one picture, and this is how you can add multiple photos in Instagram story. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, do not forget to like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.